Mommy, come on! Mommy, I love this place.
Wow, it looks really pretty out there. The camera's not going to do it justice, especially because of how bad the windows
Ooh, guys,
look.
there's like a place where there's water.
But it looks really pretty. It's always nice for the kids to get some outdoors time. I know for a long time, living where we were, there was just no way of that happening. So ever since like we moved to this house, the kids have been out.
But just 10,000 hours outside.
That's right. So it's nice for them to be able to have an outdoor space, but it's always much nicer to be able to be part of nature more.
It's so pretty outside. There's like a whole bunch of red and pink and orange trees.
Yeah. Fridays are forest days, and for Adam's assignment, the teacher assigned us a park, but it's way too far from here, and the kids, especially Abram, would probably be asleep, or Gavin, and then just be cranky there. So we came to a closer place that we absolutely love. hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't actually always record every time that we're outside or every time that we go places, and if I do, I don't always turn it into a video. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.